Good morning, 4th class children. Now, today, let us open your workbook, children. Open your workbook. Now, today, we are going to revise first chapter, children. Open page number 4. Shapes around you. Identify the shape of each object and write its name in the given space. One is done for you. Look here. This is a cupboard. How is it look like? Which shape it is in? Cuboid shape. Next one. Which shape the popcorn packet is it in? Cone shape. Cup, cylinder shape. Next, box. It is like cube. DVD player, cuboid. Globe, sphere. Next, write the names of any two objects which are available in the following shapes. Cylindrical shape objects. Candle, Coke tin. Candle, Coke tin. Cube shape. Dice, ice cube. Cuboid shape. Brick, book. Sphere shape. Ball, globe. Cone shape. Party hat, birthday party hat. Ice cream cone. Identify the objects with curved flat surfaces, and separate them by placing them in the appropriate box. Look here, A to I letters are given, children. So here you have to write the letter that is in curved surface and here flat surface. Look here, it is like it is like cylinder. So cylinder has curved surface. So write under curved surface space. Next, it is like cuboid. It is flat surface. So write under flat surface. Next, paint bottle. It is also curved surface. C. Next, 500 rupees money. So it is like cuboid. So many 500s are here. So it is look like cuboid shape. So write under flat surface D. Next one. Paper rolling. It is like cylinder shape. Cylinder has curved surface. So write under curved surface E. Next F. It is cuboid. Flat surface. G. It is curved surface like cylinder. Under curved surface G. H. This is the gold. How is it look like? Cuboid. So write under flat surface H. Next, birthday hat. This is also curved surface. Right? Curved surface I. Look at the faces. Label the faces, edges and corners of the following solid shapes. Look here, this is a cube. A cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3. And the other 3 are opposite to those 3 faces. Okay. Next, edges. These straight lines are the connection of 2 faces are the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are visible here. Next, corners. Corners means the joining point of 2 edges. These are corners. Okay. Here also, in cuboid also. These are the faces. These are the edges. Straight lines are the edges. And the joining point of 2 edges are the corners. These are the corners. Next, This is the flat face and this is the curved face. This is the edge. This is also one edge. Next, this is the face, this is the edge and this is the corner. Which of the following nets will form a cube when folded? Tick them. So, if you fold these, that will make a cube shape. So, among these three, which is the correct one? The middle one. In the second row, first one and the last one. In the third row, middle one. Next, look children, complete the following table. Shape, number of faces, number of edges, number of corners. Shapes, cylinder, cube, cone, cuboid, sphere. Now you have to write the number of faces, edges and corners. Cylinder. Cylinder has two faces, two flat faces and two edges, no corners. Cube. Cube has 6 flat faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Cone. Cone also one face, one flat surface, one edge, one corner. Cuboid. Cuboid and cube both has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Sphere. Sphere doesn't have any face. Here sphere has face, curved face, not flat surface. Flat face. It has curved surface. And no edges, no corners. Identify the net and connect it to the corresponding solid shape with a line. Look here, cube and cuboid are given and asking connect it to the corresponding net form. So, this is the cube net form. And here, this is the cuboid net form. Cuboid net form. Okay. Next. Identify the faces of a brick from the following figures and circle them. So, among these, which are the faces of a brick? Brick, that is like cuboid. So, faces are like rectangles. So, this is not a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. And this is also rectangle. These three are the faces of a brick. Which of the following are simple closed shapes? Tick them. Closed shapes you have to tick here. So here star. This is a closed shape. All lines are connected with each other. All sides are connected. So tick here. So this has two end points and here this is also the space. This is also not the closed figure. Next, here these two are the closed figures and last one is not a closed figure. Next, 1 and 3 are the closed figures and the middle one is not a closed figure. Next, see children, fill in the blanks. These blanks prepare well children. You have FA1 exam children. You have to write these fill in the blanks in that exam. A circle is a simple dash figure. A circle is a simple closed figure. All the points on the circle are at dash distance from the center. All the points on the circle are at same distance from the center. The fixed point from which a circle is drawn is its center. Dash is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Radius. Radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Diameter is dash the length of the radius, twice the length of the radius. A circle can have dash than one diameter. A circle can have more than one diameter. Next page. Match the following. Here faces, edges, corners are given and some shapes are given in the middle, children. You have to join them. Look here. Faces, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Which shape? It is cube and also cuboid. Cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. So here also again given 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Join to cuboid shape. Next, 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 corner. 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 corner. So here they consider the curved surface also, children. Look here. Actually cone has one flat surface only, but here they said faces, 2 faces. So one is the flat face and one is the curved surface. And edges, corners, edges is the one edge and one corner. Next, faces 1, edges 0, corners 0. Sphere. Sphere has one curved surface, curved face and no edges, no corners. The last one, faces 3, edges 2, corners 0. Cylinder. A cylinder has 2 flat faces and one curved surface and no corners, 2 edges. 2 edges. Okay, children. The remaining pages we will discuss in the next video, children.